Hey, what's up, guys? I have a problem with this Yamaha MG16XU. Some of the channels are not working anymore. This is because of the moisture from the beach and sometimes got wet with the rain. So there are channels that are not working anymore. So I'll try to fix this. Like for example, this one is sound check. Channel 1 is working. Hey, check. Channel 2 is not working. Check. Not working. And hey, check. 1, 2. 3, 4 is working. 7, 8, 5 is working. 7, 8, check. So 2, 3, 4 are not working. So I'll try if I can fix this. I have done this for many years already. So before I dispose this mixer, I'll try to fix if I can. This is the easiest way to fix this. So I'll just use this one, electronic contact cleaner. Two, three, four. I have a video here. I think that was 2009 or 2010 with my Mackie mixer. And still working until now. Hopefully the feeder is only rusty. Two, three, four. So before I will try to open this, I will try this first. This is easier. Anyway, this mixer has been replaced already. We have a new one. So instead of disposing this, I'll try if I can make it work. I can still use this. So I cleaned the 2, 3, 4, including the 5. And after this, if the 2, 3, and 4 will work, I will clean everything. I don't have a problem if I will damage this because it's already damaged. So before you do this, make sure that it's not working anymore, or else you will damage your mixer if you don't know what you're doing. But I already proven to myself that this kind of cleaning works for me. And I don't care if the electronic cleaner is still wet. No problem. Try to turn it on. Bang! That's your mistake. You have to turn off first the amplifier before turning on the mixer. Next time, let's try. Number 2. Son, hey, still not working. Hey, check. Son, hey, check. Working. More again. Hey, sound, hey, check. Hey, 1, 2. Sound check, hey, 1, 2. Just need cleaning, guys. It's just rusty. Hey, hey, check, hey, sun, check. But I think this feeder is already have a damage in some portion. Sun, hey, check. Sun, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, check, hey, 1, 2, hey, sun, check. Number 2 is not working. So, number 2 is fixed. Let's try number 3. Sun, hey. Hey, not working. Hey. Sun, hey. Check. Sun, hey, check. So, I think number 2 is already fully damaged. Let's try number 3. One, two, three. Oh, I think number 3 is fully damaged. So let's try number 4. Sun, hey, check. Sun, hey, check. So number 4 is not working. Hey, sun, check. Check. Hey, sun, check. Hey, 1, 2, sun, check. Hey, sun, hey, check. Let's try number 4 again, or number 3. Sun, check. Oh. I think it will work, but still need some cleaning. And sometimes this button also is stuck, so I need to clean this also. So hey, check. Yeah, it works, guys. Hey, check. Hey, 1, 2. So hey, check. 1, 2. Hey. Hey, check. 1, 2. Hey. Sun. So I need to clean also this switches. It's not conductive, so I don't care if it is on or off. I have fire extinguisher anyway. Sun, hey. Sun, hey, check. Hey. I'll try this one. Sun, hey, check. Hey. Sun, hey, check. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Sound, hey, check, check. Sound, hey, check. Sound, hey, check. Hey, 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 check. Hey, sound, check, check. Sound. Hey, 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 check, check. Hey, sound, check. The high frequency button is having a problem also. Sound, hey, check. Hey, 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 check. So that's it, guys. I already fixed the 3 channels that are not working. So I'll go ahead and clean everything, including these buttons here, everything. So I just show you on how I fix this mixer in the easy way. Because if you open this, it will take you the whole day because you have to remove everything. But this takes only around 10 minutes and you're done. So after this, I'll clean everything. By the way, guys, after cleaning with electronic contact cleaner, I always spray with WD-40 for lubrication. I actually got a lot of negative comments when I did this to my Mackie mixer around 13 or 14 years ago. A lot of negative comments that according to them WD-40 is not good for the mixer, but my mixer is still working right now. So this is it. Check it 1 2. Check it 1 2. Sound check 1 2. Check 1 2. Hey, check 1 2. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Hey, 1 2. Check, check. Sound, hey, check. Hey, hey, check. Check, hey, 1 2. 2, hey, check. Sound, hey, check. Hey, check, check. Check, hey. Sound, hey, check. So that's, guys, that is my lazy way on how to fix my mixer. I hope you learned something today. So it's up to you guys if you want to try this. This is my way. It works for me. So it's up to you.